Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord 2T, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto rotation on this device. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for auto rotate icon, and when you find it, just click on it. As you can see, mine is blue. That means that auto rotation is on. If you wish to turn it off, just click on the same icon. You can always go into settings as well, scroll down and choose display and brightness. So sorry, misclick. Now scroll down and click on this switcher next to auto rotate feature. If it's blue, that means that auto rotation is on. In order to turn it off, just click on the switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!